Vox's unlimited data for YouTube Shorts has got me blissing out to bento box ASMR.
I get my tingles from bath bomb crumbles.
You do you.
Unlimited data for social media and YouTube Shorts on Voxy Mobile. Selected social apps in UK, T&Cs apply.
Yes, lads, what's going on? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let me bang the soundboard out, Tinny. Oh, hey, CS, welcome, bro. Where's the, here we go.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Once again, I love this one so much, man.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Boom, diggity, yo. Okay, let's get started then. So obviously DXY is rejecting off at that level. I did say it's gonna come up, take out that level there of what was it, 102.57. It did that exactly at 103.60. Now starting to reject, so I would like to see a bit of a drop down for the next day or two possibly. The pip analyst just wanted to come say hi. Habibi, thank you, bro. Thank you. Oh, I don't even know your name, by the way. Bashy's my name, basically, innit? So yeah, welcome anyway. Appreciate you coming, bro. Sounds like I walked into the hallway of a company. That's it, bro. You know what I mean? That's what we're talking about.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Brother. So yeah, man, as I was saying, obviously expected that rejection of the DXY, which has happened beautifully, and I'd like to see it push down. I want to see it kind of do what it's done before, come take a high, come drop down and then just consolidate and then give another move again. So I'd like to see it drop down to 99.5 again. So I'd prefer to buy EU and GU plus. Right now on M5 they're giving the structure. They'll have to look for M1 for an entry obviously, but it's looking clean. I'm waiting for DXY to drop to 99.9. Yeah, basically the same 94 is a weird one. Let's just talking about the middle of this range. Let's just talking about the middle of this zone here on DXY. Anyway, euros touched an invalid zone, so I'm hoping that's gonna fail and stuff, and that this could just be like a fake level of price, if that makes sense. So I'm obviously hoping to see what happens there, because if you look at price internally here, we kind of come down, took these internal lows, and we're pushing back up into this valid zone. And then pretty much same thing on GU, took out this support level here. Obviously we got Asia midline right here. The middle of Asia is a beautiful level. I like that level. So we're getting a nice reaction off of there at the moment. But now the issue is on the bottom of here, so Frankfurt low now becomes a zone I don't want to trade from itself. So you just have to be mindful of what's gonna happen here with price. But I do like the look of this. If we break that, pull back down into a demand zone, that might be an opportunity for a buy. So I do like the look of that. I'm gonna set all the limits and stuff, everything. I'm not gonna do what I did yesterday, yeah, and take the wrong trade. So I'm gonna set alerts everywhere, man, just to make sure I don't bloody fail anything. So 37, we'll drop an alert at 38 then. There's that level there. We'll get the long position tool on here, see what it does in terms of TP SL size. SL is less than 1 pip, 0.9. I'm just going to cover that then, because I like it between 2 and 4 pips is my preference. So we'll do 2 up there. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. So got 2 pip SL on GU. That, if we get a London Open volume again like yesterday, this could do crazy R. This could comfortably do some really big R, so let's just be mindful of that. And then obviously I set an alert at 03. I set it here, another alert here. GU entry. Now I'm setting alerts on entry zones so I don't miss them, because I've got obviously premium, so why not do it properly and not lose the entry or anything, you know. So yeah. Okay, let's go to GJ now. It's very chippy choppy. We got 1 2 3 4 5 6 highs at the top. We got 2 at the bottom. I'd want to see ideally price kind of whip to the bottom give an entry and whip to the top, so like quick volume. I'd like to see that. More of a whipsaw day. If you know what whipsaw is, fine. If you don't know what whipsaw is, let me know and I'll tell you. Pretty much what I just said there though. And then on here, so basically I seen a trade here yesterday. I didn't, oh, there we go. Beautiful. Now let's see where we can get into an entry. You got a demand zone there, you got a demand zone here. I'm gonna wait for this one. I prefer that one. I think that one's gonna potentially fail, so I'm willing to not take that and then wait for this one. So I'm gonna set an alert. Where is it? Create limit order on this one, 0.25%. Take profit, I'm gonna get rid of. Hey, why is it not letting me? What? Huh? What? What's going on here? Why does it not let me? It's a buy limit. What's going on here, man? It's not letting me set the limit for some reason. Why is that? If you mind, less than the instrument amount of... No, what do you mean instrument amount? It's TradingView's freaking out. Gold pumping without me. Yeah, TradingView's... Oh, that's unfortunate, man. I wanted to set it off of that thing because it's quicker, isn't it? Okay, so it lets me do it on here. Why is that? Right, okay. Oh, shoot. We don't even... 1 second. So looking at 0.5 for the entry. For the SL, we're looking at 2. And they're looking at 0.25%. Oh. So it's saying I can't do more than... Why is it saying I can't do more than 10 lots? Why is it literally not letting me do more than 10 lots? What's that all about? What? Why? For God's sake, man. Why does there always have to be some type of issue when I'm trying to trade? Let me do the same thing on here. Just drop it all the way down here. Set an SL there. Maximum of 10. What? Basically, don't let you do more than 10 lots. What sort of bullshit? What the hell? Bro, do like 10-15 lots, man. What's going on here? Is it because of the leverage? I don't know. I mean, I don't understand. Why is it doing that? There. So now I've reduced the leverage on it. Wow. Doesn't let me do more than 10 lots. Are you taking the piss? Are you taking the... If it isn't one issue, it's another issue, man. I swear to God. Absolute bullshit. Does it let me do it on C Trader for this account? How do you set limits? I want to set a limit. Set buy alert 38. Set. How do you set buy limit at 30? No, it's one lot. How do I change that? I want to change that. So I want to change that to.
Quaker is an official sponsor
12
of Team
lot.
GB, and rightly
Modify.
so. After all, the rowing team's motto is "Oats move boats." But why stop
Okay,
there?
now it's 12
Team GB,
lots.
If you're listening, try these on for
So
size.
let's me do
Quaker
12 lots on
sachets,
C-Trader
move
itself.
both Sleighs. Ugly bowl, forward roll. One for the gymnasts. The world's your stage when you eat some beige.
Okay, what the hell? It's literally let me do 12 lots on here. Now does it let me edit it? And try 15 lots. Wonderful. Your new order has been. Bro, it lets me do 15 lots. It lets me also on C-Trader I can do 15 lots and there's no issue at all. When using IC markets demo, there may be specific limitation on lots, such as TradingView broker environments. No, on C-Trader for my broker, it lets me do as much lots as I wish. Why doesn't TradingView let me do more than 10? It's a nuisance when stuff like this happens because it's taking away my time from actually analysing the charts and stuff like that. I mean, I suppose I got swerved on GU anyway. Price ran. I suppose it's not the end of the world, but still, it's not what you want to be seeing, is it? GJ's come taking these highs, possibly Mount drop down, come take this. I wanted to push up higher and take this high up here. In TradingView, the maximum number of lots you can trade may be limited due to platform settings or restrictions imposed by the broker. Integration. No, it uses lots on Forex and then uses contracts on stuff like indices and stuff. That's why you see a difference of ticks versus pips. It has its own limitation for demo accounts. It is recommended to review documentation. Okay, it wasn't like that before. How do I remove the limitation? Okay, Euro is coming up to take this level. Bro, it's so annoying, man. Sorry guys about this. So trading on TradingView is supposed to make it easier for me because I could do my analysis and take my entries on one thing. But this is not playing ball. That's weird. I contrast sizes for my connected accounts, even crypto with Binance, Forex for Pepper. Wow, that's weird, bro. Yes. Come DXY to Papa. I'm guessing it's dropping, yeah? Obviously, I can't tell because this idiot's here, isn't it? Oh, yeah, DXY is coming down. Oh, yeah. There's no limits there. Where else would I see the settings? Maybe in here. Maybe in here. Trading, execution sound. It doesn't show anything about limitations. I can't seem to find anything. From the broker side. Okay, sure. So let me just, I don't know, how do you log out or go to pay-per-view or something? Log out of IC markets, log back in. Sync to TradingView. Synced. Create limit. That's over 10 again. Dude, this is bruh. Wow. What? What about market execution then? What? Bro, it doesn't let you. Are you bruh. I'm gonna have to use ChatGPT, man. I wanted to trade today, not bloody mess around. Flipping in. Better to use Grok. I'm just gonna use ChatGPT because I got the premium version. ChatGPT on TradingView, TradingView. I have premium subscription.
At Vodafone, get 6 months half price on unlimited 5G data with the new iPhone 17. Plus, save up to 5.
Yeah, I'm not here to do advertising for phones and stuff like that. But I'm telling you, when I get this payout, I'm just gonna buy premium bloody YouTube as well. On TradingView, I have premium subscription, but suddenly it doesn't let me open more than 10 lots, and my broker is IC Markets demo account with Z Trader, and on Z Trader it's totally fine to open more than 10 lots. Can you help me figure out how to fix this issue? Bloody, I'm telling you, ChatGPT is amazing, man. Got it. So you're saying you have TradingView Premium account connected to IC Markets demo using C-Trader connection, but C-Trader says unless you open lots into TradingView, you get limited to 10 lots. Here's a common issue. Yeah, there you go. It's come on, they're back down. Can't do anything about this yet. If it's trading, wait a second. IC Markets via. So when you connect to IC Markets to TradingView, you're using like IC Markets via MetaTrader MT4 TradingView connection, or paper demo connection, TradingView's built-in simulator. It's asking, yeah, if you're actually connected to IC Markets live demo, then TradingView only has native integration. How to fix or bypass it. Option 1, use the broker's native platform. If you want to open 10 lots, use it directly on CTrader. Charts can still be used for analysis. Bro, what's the point of me using this then? Or rather just really go to CTrader, get rid of CTrader and go to MetaTrader 5 then. And then obviously there's less RAM usage on the computer. Option B, connect IC Markets MT5, MT4 to TradingView if available, but you know it doesn't have that, so why not? Option C, check if your trading panel shows paper trading. If it does, go to trading panel paper size, setting icon gear. You can modify the balance, but lot size is capped. There's no way to. Whoa! So now we're saying MetaTrader 5 has full control and CTrader doesn't have full control. Have they now allowed for 1 second, man? 1 second. IC Markets. Let me see if they've finally done a TradingView integrated account with MT5 because they never did that before. CTrader MT5. Can I help you? Let's go to the bot thing. Do you have raw spread demo account that links to TradingView on MT5 question mark? Do you have a raw spread demo account? What? Why is it asking for my email? 76 Hotmail. Additional account, can't log in, withdrawal. Those are my account verification, other. I just typed the question in. Right, getting through to a live agent now. Right, I've asked them. What a nuisance, man. Oh. Hi there, Azlini. Right, so let's see what this person says, man. Hopefully it is a broker issue that they can fix themselves. But I swear, yeah, look at this. Did that tag that zone? Bro, look at that for a snipe entry, man. Look at that for a snipe entry. Oh, wait. Oh, no, wait. You wouldn't have been able to take it because of this. Yeah, I wouldn't have taken that because of... I would have waited for this to fail. And then when it failed, I would have taken it. Yeah. But I suppose that's just tagging in, giving a reaction and coming to take the zone out. Because you've had this channel build up here, and then you've had this drop through, and then you've had this push up. So yeah, I suppose you could it would have been more of an aggressive approach, obviously, because the whole point is to wait for the failure of the invalid zone. But if you do get it where price builds some type of channel or something inside an invalid zone, and then it drops, comes through and takes it out, then you can kind of take that trade, but it's a bit more riskier than usual. So obviously there is always that issue. Better to use Grok. I don't know, man.
Here's a trading account as portable as your favorite playlist. Download Awanda's award-winning mobile app and enjoy attractive spreads on a secure platform. Open your account.
Shut up, man.
So I'm writing an essay.
You shut up too. There. Oh wait. Alright, so apologize about this, boys. Okay, well, there's no entry on GJ anyway, so that's fine. There was the entry on GU, but obviously, as I said, I wouldn't have taken it because of this invalid zone on obviously EU, so I really wouldn't have taken that. I would have shorted here, but no entry on there either. So I suppose I've not missed anything as of yet, which is good, I suppose. Bitcoin's coming down again. Gold's on a run again. We got 8 o'clock in 18 minutes, man. Let's just see if I can get a fix for that before then. Let's go back to ChatGPT. What's it say? Specific amount is more than the instrument maximum. Specific amount is more than the instrument maximum of 10. Oh, exceeds TradingView's built-in limit, not your broker's. They're saying the only other way is to split the orders by doing 10, 10, 5. Wow. Yo, good morning. This way price action been acting this October is very pleasing. Looks like expectations of the shutdown happening this month have normalized the market. Gold has also ranged for a while to shed volatility. Very good. Now New York, London back to need to pick the place. Yeah, exactly. Yo, Karibu Undugu. How you doing, my bro? I'm just having issues with the TradingView. I think IC Markets has changed the rules or something like that, or changed the settings on their accounts or something. I see here now it's saying sync to TradingView, yeah? So let's go on to a Forex pair. EURUSD. Let's go to why doesn't it let me log in? That's weird. Is there a way to remove the lot limit on trading view with my current account? Is that a way to live? Unfortunately, no. Either the TradingView Premium, the lot limit is a card code restricted to TradingView's order system when you're on paper trading or using a non-native broker connection like IC Markets. But it's working perfectly fine before. But I know you can't bypass it. To bypass it, you need to log in through integrated like MT5, MT4. But they never had MT5. So if they have MT5, it's even better now, but it's just causing a huge inconvenience, isn't it? I mean, I prefer if it's on MetaTrader anyway. It makes my life easier, innit? TradingView only connects. TradingView only connects its user trader accounts, not TradingView 4 or 5. But before I could use 10 lots plus. Now TradingView saying only if you use MT4/5, so I don't know why they changed the rule. This means I have to change my risk management. How's this gonna work out? Wait. Let's figure this out then, yeah? So they're saying that I have to use maximum of 10, like maximum is 10 lot, yeah? But obviously they don't let you do that. So let's just go to 3 pips for example, yeah? I suppose it's not that bad because it means on a 2 pip SL is 0.2% risk. On a 2.5 pip SL is pretty much almost what I want. 2.7 pips is exactly quarter. 3 is 0.28. That's gonna make it more annoying. I'm gonna have to now set the SL, set the risk, adjust the SL and risk to let it do 10 lots to then take the trade. Oh my god, this is very inconvenient. Very inconvenient. What about on like GJ? Is it the same on GJ? Let's just try and do a short limit from here. Edit, SL. Is it gonna be the same? Yeah, law is the same on here as well. So how do I get past that limit? There's no way for me to get past. Asking for a screenshot, so let me just go over here, click create limit order. What's happened here? Look at that.
at 3 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Swiss unemployment rate adjusted, forecast 3% on the prior 3%. Swiss unemployment rate unadjusted,
So
forecast 2.9% on the
there.
prior 2.8%. We also expect comments from ECB's co-chair.
why is it not letting me? I have to send the proof to the chat team, innit? How do you go to the chat, people? Where's the thing for it? Oh, there. Right, I've sent him that anyway. Welcome D. Hello Amal. Yes, welcome. I'm having issues with TradingView, man. It's being annoying. It's not letting me set limits. So I'm just speaking to tech support for IC markets. It might be a TradingView issue though, man, unfortunately. I'm trying to think of how the hell to go around it. Where's the actual support chat, man? Hello, I'm from Microsoft Customer Care. How may I help you, sir? My name is Richard. Richard Lancaster, sir. Why you ask my accent? No, sir, I am from England. This just my accent, sir. Sir, no problem. We'll fix all things for you, sir. No problem. Right, help center. Manage your queries to our team. Oh, yeah. I don't know. I know I've got premium, so I don't know about like extra support request. How do I Sir, to uninstall Windows, what you need to do is get your bank card, and then if you tell me the long card number on the bank card, I will be able to log into your bank and then tell you through your bank how you can uninstall Windows, sir. No, sir, it's not scam. I am honest, sir. I told you my name is Richard. I'm from Calcutta. I'm from England. I'm not here to make scam, sir.
3 a.m. Eastern Time, get Swiss
Honestly,
unemployment
sir,
rate
I'm not here to
adjusted,
make
forecast
scam.
3% on the prior 3%, and Swiss unemployment rate unadjusted, forecast 2.9% on the prior 2.8%.
Oh man. Don't redeem the card, man. Please don't redeem the card. I'm from Calcutta. That's where all the scams be. Calcutta. Okay. I like the fact that we can have a joke here, man. It's good. Knowledge-based. Manage support requests. Oh, how do you open How do you open a thing? Calcutta. Oh, I hear bloop. What's the bloop? Specific amount is more than 10 maximum. It means that the lot size you enter exceeds the maximum transferred. Sometimes max lot sizes can be adjusted due to risk management, liquidity, or platform issue or platform updates. I said C Trader is fine. I just thought to ask you guys in case you can fix it. It's a demo account, so everything's okay. So is everything okay with your system and the platform? Or is it purely a TradingView issue? New rules just dropped. You have to trade while standing up for half a month. Don't even. Bro, one of the guys, he tried to request a payout. He sent a message in the Discord, yeah? And the guy said to him, the risk team, after you've, bro, I heard Fivers is going bankrupt. They're not giving payouts to anyone since 2 weeks. Jews. Puh on your face, Jews. Puh. Actually, that's wrong. Jews are okay. I mean Zionists. Sorry, Zionists. Say puh. Wait, is there like a spit on your face? There's got to be like a black spit on your face, man, type thing.
Remaining. I'll lead with Swiss unemployment rate adjusted.
That was one of my favorite ones.
Did I spit on you?
Yeah.
Did I spit on you?
I don't want you to die, but I hope you choke on your skull.
Sir?
Did I spit on you?
There you go. Then I spit on you. Ugandan style. I am from Uganda. What to spit on you, boy? I don't know where the boy come from. That was a bit more like Jamaican-y, wasn't it? Yeah.
Fui yo.
Woo.
3% as expected. Unemployment rate unadjusted. 2.9% as expected.
Did I spit on you?
Bro, I heard 5 years ago, under not many people complaining in Discord, they just closed support channel. Yo, that's mad. This is why you don't trust prop firms, bro. You just get the money, put it in your own account and done, that's it. Let me go back to the support person. He is replying now. How do you like say help? As is regarding a trade investigation, it is that our trade analysis team need to investigate our email. Can you please send an email to and please include the information, trade number, trade ID, and notification of the issue you having. Screenshots, our team investigate further. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you.
ECB Schnabel says a persistent take-up of standard refinancing operations to precede the launch of structural operations. There is no direct connection between the rundown of our legacy monetary policy bond portfolios and interest rate control.
So they're telling me to send the email, yeah? So I'll send the email to these people and then we will see what the story is with that. So how do you... I'm going to save the picture because I've already deleted it, yeah? Like an idiot. So I'll save it here and then save it here. Same place again. One, two.
Everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real.
Yeah. You chill out, Trump, man. What's wrong with you, bro? That okay. So then I need to do a new email. Inbox, new email.
Schnabel says we expect that our monetary policy bond portfolios will be run down completely. Okay, so let's just get this email sent over because this is obviously important, isn't it? Because I can't trade if I can't do this. Okay, so support to email at support. There you go. Yeah. Issues with lot size limit on trading view. Size limit. Send the email including the following information. Account number. That's a good question. I've never looked at my account number, have I? No, that's all. No, that's all. Thank you. Euro's doing something as well. Probably still can't take a trade though. London Open. Come took that level out. Beautiful. Now, if it drops down into that demand zone, you could take a long. So there's a signal for someone if they want to take it. I can't obviously do anything. What's this here?
My phone alert. Sorry guys, let me just send this email and then I'll pay attention to the chat in. It's give me like 2 minutes, yeah? I just need to send this email over and then because I've not been paying attention to the... This is why I need another screen so I can then see the chat, like the YouTube stream, see the TradingView stream and then have the other screen for like sending emails and stuff like that, because I've only got 2. So I've got TradingView on this one, and then on this one I normally split the trade copier there, the streaming software there, and then the Alpha Capital Group account. That's just like 3 mini screens on the one screen, and now I'm just got one full screen of me sending the email. So let me just do this in it. Well, the demo account, that's the account number, yeah? You know it. Here's the account number. Account number. Trade IDs. I don't think it has trade IDs. Yeah, it doesn't have a trade IDs. So let me just go back to the chat and then just copy paste the issue. I might use text to speech, I don't know.
Ticket, please. Thank you. Tickets, please, madam.
Sure, let me just...
TradingView suddenly stopped me from opening more than 10 lots on trades. Before I could, no issues. Today it doesn't let me, and today it doesn't let me. So I spoke to the IC market support chat and showing them everything. They told me to email you. I attached pictures. Any help appreciated. Thank you, FX Bashi. Then where do you go to attach? Where's attachments and stuff? Why is it not giving attachments, man? Insert. Attach file. Right, they've changed the way you do this as well, man. Wow. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Right, so I sent an email to the support team. Hopefully they can help me, and I want to send another email to TradingView's support team to get them to fix up basically. If I don't trade today, it's fine, no problem, man. It's just a bit of a nuisance. Has it sent the email? Yeah, email is officially sent. I've had a reply.
Thanks for contacting IC Markets query here. Yeah, okay, awesome. Yeah, so they've received the email. There's been no bounce back or anything. Okay. Okay, so Fivers is going bankrupt. Many people complaining in the Discord and never expect them to go bankrupt. Wait, I wasn't paying attention. Which profit am I talking about? A 5% is Fivers. Damn it was among my preferred prop firms once I decided to scale up. Looks like it's off limits now. Yeah, in Twitter, if you check full off place. Really? Let's go to X here. Let's, you know what? We're probably not trading yet, so let's just screen share. Google Chrome. So what's it called? 5. Does it 5 is a 5%? It's an account, isn't it? What's the media? That's people in it, yeah. So this is the newest one, yeah? Extortion script. Love it. Wow, very clean. Seems like they're prepared to make a strong entry into future prop firms. Lovely. I mean, that didn't look that bad. Even Discord, send an invite to Bashy's Discord. Yeah, that works. Can't trade today's price action. The 5 is trading. Yeah, I found it now anyway, innit? Can't trade yet. I mean, I really wanted to, but I can't, innit? So let's look for here then. It's just the same guy, innit? You know what? Send the link in the Discord, bro. I want to go into the thingy. So send the link in the Discord, please, and then we'll have a look in it. I want to see what's going on. Oh man, this is funny. But I didn't see. I just seen one comment from one guy. That's it. One guy said Trump's wearing diapers.
Gazprom pipe gas flows to China set historic record on November 5th.
Let me find the Discord, man. 1 second. The 5 is there. Oh, they closed the website down. Oi, look. Yo, look.
So here, yeah, that's the 5 is in it, yeah? And here. Eh? What was this then? Oh, okay. I don't know what happened there. I was trying to do cookies or something. Okay. I think this... No? Where's the Discord? Why do they not have a Discord? Where's the... Bro, they don't even have a Discord. So you have to be an active trader to get access to their Discord. Forget that, bro. I'm not gonna waste my time with that. That's useless. That's useless. I'm not going to you make an account just so. Yeah. It's better off that Amal sends. That's a long situation, man. Why am I gonna go through all of that? Idiots. Yalla, Amal, send the link, man. Yeah, you're right. So what do I do now then? I need to somehow figure out how to send like... How do you do support requests? That's a shit answer. Gold printing Jedi candles. Let's have a look. Oh God. Hello. Gold's on a ripper again. Hey yo, gold's moving alright. Oh, silver, look at that. Hello. Hey, we got some movement going on here, man. To assist you further, please select the... What would this come under issue? Trading, yeah. How another issue? A, B, C, D, F, G. There you go. Order ID, NA. Let's go with the problem. Okay, so let's go back to the email, pull the email up and just copy paste it. Email sent.
At 3:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get French construction PMI, prior 42.9, Eurozone construction PMI, prior 46, German construction PMI, prior 46.2, Italian construction PMI, prior 49.8. We also expect comments from ECB's de Guindos.
How do you... Only up to 3. That's bloody unfortunate, isn't it? Have to do the main zoom in. So it was that one and that one. I'll just do them two. There. Create support request. If I could just get them to lift it on my account, then we're good to go. It just depends if they're able to do so, and I would appreciate if they could. Because then otherwise, if I'm going to have to think about it, if I'm going to have to then, take the same trade 3 times, and you guys already know my trades can happen fast, how am I going to then take 3 trades at the same time? If I wanted to, example, open 25 lots. I've never done that. I think it's normally about... Let's have a look in. I think it's about 10, 15-ish lots. Receive. Yeah, that's fine. So that's done now. So then we can just leave that there. Now, if I look at previous order history, is it order history? I feel like it might be order history. What orders? I'm not sure. I mean, there is no orders right now as far as I'm aware, but yeah. Anyway, history, so 15, 11, 11, 10.29, 9. Why is it not going back further? Rejected. Account summary. Notification log. It probably only has logs from like a certain date or something like that. So let me go on to C Trader and then look at the history on C Trader for last 12 months. Okay, so 10 lot, 11 and a half, a bunch of 5, 6, 7, 8, 12.5. So yeah, there's actually not been that many. There's only been 1, 2, 3, 4 above the size of 10. And these today, yesterday, today, current week, or current month. Of course not current month. Previous month, yes. So yeah, I've only done a few, just a tiny bit bigger than 10, to be honest, man. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to trade on my phone for the 100k account then, and then just leave all of the rest of them, except ACG, because I can trade ACG then, because then I've got if I take the trade on TradingView on C Trader, would it populate on TradingView? I'm curious about that. Oh, I have a message waiting for me. What did it say? Oh, I was just saying that it'll take them 10 hours to respond. That's all. Up to 10 hours. That's fine. So I want to see if I set a limit on here, yeah? On GU. Let's just go here. Buy limit. 1 lot. Okay, it's done it on here. Okay, does it do... Okay, let's do 10. Okay, it's done it on here. Let's drag that down to like a safer level. Like all the way down here. And then let's try to do... See, it's done it now. But it doesn't let you modify on here, innit? That's weird, isn't it? But it does it on here. Oh man, look at that. That's annoying. 219. Yo, look at that. So I'm gonna have to go on here, create limit order, get the lot size of the trade with the SL, go onto C Trader, put the lot size, the SL, everything on there, and then it's gonna come on TradingView. That's diabolical. That's well bad. Yeah, that sucks ass cheap. Anyway, fine. You would have got break even here if you did take it. So where was it? It was here. We would have had 1, 2. Would have needed to be like a raw, proper, you know. It wouldn't have. It would have been just a break even. So that's fine. And they would have been tagged. I don't mind that because they've been break even and tagged and went anyway. So I haven't actually lost anything on that. I suppose like I didn't miss anything. It's not the end of the world. So that zone failed completely, and then we got this one up here. Get rid of that, and then obviously on eurusd, price come in. Oh, look at that. I did say I wanted to take a long from here, if you remember earlier on in the stream. So that's looking all right. And then that was, oh, okay, yeah, just after price tagged that invalid zone, so that would have also been invalidated.
1 minute remaining. I'll lead with the Eurozone construction PMI.
So yeah, and then what about so gold, bro? Francis, look at gold. Oh my god. And silver's up nearly 1.6. It's coming for this zone, isn't it? I'm going for out. It's coming for that key. Yeah, there you go. This is a fake out, pushing back up, break, test, continuation to the upside. I told you that as long as still the way to go. Everyone's, oh, short gold, short gold. No, not yet. Okay, actually, I do like the look of this.
10 seconds.
And then we say this zone's invalid. Because now, obviously, we've had the trade from that zone. Price has left that zone now.
44.
So the trade would have been
German
up here.
Construction PMI,
The Jedi candles are back after 2 weeks of Darth candles.
Italian 50 spot 7, 50 spot
Oh
7.
my god. 1 second, I've got one for you, bro. I've got one for you.
It's a trap.
Ooh. Darth Vader breathing.
Impressive.
And he cares nothing for the Sith.
Oh, this. He's sick, man. You know, I never watched Star Wars till like The Mandalorian come out, because I thought it's like nerdy and stuff. And then after The Mandalorian come out and I watched it, I was like, oh my god, how did I not know about this? I thought it was the same as Star Trek. It's completely different. I thought it's the same thing. I didn't watch it. Then I was like, oh my god, what did I do to myself? I didn't allow myself to watch all of this coolness. They're just gonna bring that over there because that covers more of that level there. You can drop that down to potentially M5 invalid issue zone. We got equal highs right there as well. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. Get rid of Frankfurt. CHF. What are we saying? We're saying. So come down. Took these lows, pushed higher. That's actually clean, bro. That's actually clean. There's the midline. Yeah, we literally took the midline. And then we went from there. Do we get a one entry though? Nah, we didn't. It just flew off here. Look, it just flew off from here. And it didn't really give an entry, unfortunately. When did this extend until, man? I wanted to stop at. Yeah, quarter. Yeah, so 8:30 I'll stop the extension of the line. So that was that 3:30. Why is it not saving the stuff when I'm setting it, man? I should be saving these things when I'm setting it. TradingView is freaking out, bro. I swear down, it's freaking out. TradingView is what? Freaking out. Okay, so yeah, there's no entry on there anyway, so that's fine. We've come, taken this high, you got a potential invalid zone down these bottoms now. But obviously, if you still keep getting bullish price action and stuff, then keep following the momentum to the upside, of course. That's fine. Yeah, but gold looking nice, man. Look at that. Proper volume here, bro. Proper volume. Where's Amal? I'm waiting for this link for the Discord. Obviously, GU might be chippy choppy until we get the news at 12 o'clock. But for me, I might just delete all of this and then... Nah, I'll stay patient because I can still trade the 100k account, can't I? So I'll be patient. Okay, technically a higher low. If we break structure, create a high low and break structure again, I'm willing to get into a long on GJ. But that's the only one that I can really say right now. Nothing else is kind of clean like that. Yeah, nothing else is clean like that as of yet. What about you? Are you guys looking at anything or not? Also, when's trading view offers? When's their new offer coming out? Promo. There we go. Actually, no, that's not the one. Trading view subscriptions, pricing, and features. What about the offers, man? The offers tab. I remember there was an offers tab or something. Whoopsie, didn't mean that. Black Friday discount. Here we go. 14 days, 15 days. Well, 14 days and 23 hours. So 1, 2. Basically, tomorrow, 2 weeks tomorrow. So the 21st is where we get the Black Friday offers on TradingView. So I'm going to get that for sure. Oh, you can get affiliate links from these guys as well. Bro.
ECB's De Guindos says the ECB
Partner
is marginally
program.
more optimistic on Eurozone growth.
Oh wow, so you also get referred user benefit. The person you refer will get $15 put towards the cost of their new TradingView plan. Payments are within 30 days, 90-day conversion window, attractive returns. Bro, I might talk to TradingView about an affiliate link because I trade with premium anyway. Split screen, multiple alerts, all that stuff. So
positive.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
And much more optimistic with regard to services inflation.
It's not bad. Intriguing. So yeah, personally, for me, I'd want to see this invalid zone fail. So I'm going to set an alert on the invalid zone, yeah. So I'll do it at 20 in it. Set an alert at 20. And then once that breaks, I want to look for a demand zone here to potentially get into a long. And then I want to hold. Actually, no, they're going to cut rates, aren't they? Let me have a look at the data. Is there anyone I can think of that's got the data for pound? No, let me go Forex Factory. Get rid of all the currencies, just pound. We'll do yellow folder as well, why not? And then we'll do this month, and then we'll extend it to next month, and then we'll go the month before and the month before. So I'll do August, September, October, now November. Okay, so let's go all the way to August, yeah. CPI come out hotter. Okay, not that good. Manufacturing and services PMI come out good in August, yeah. So although inflation is going higher, growth is following from the services manufacturing PMI, not that bad. Final services PMI come out even better. Retail sales come out better. Growth wise, it's looking okay. GDP, oh my god, it come out 0% in September. How do you have no growth as a country? 0%. That's bad. Unemployment rate staying 4.7%. That's okay. 4.7% is not bad. Inflation in September stayed at 3.8, didn't increase, still high though. Core CPI dropped down. That's not bad. That's good. And then on the September rate cut decision, 0 voted to court, 2 voted to court, or to hike. No, 0 voted to hike, 2 voted to stay the same, and 7 voted to court. Or is it the other way around? 7 voted to stay the same, 2 voted to court. Stay the same. Yeah, I think that's 0 wanted rate hikes, 2 wanted to keep it the same, and 2 wanted to cut, and 7 wanted to keep it the same. Right, okay, I think I've read it right. Theirs is weird, man. Retail sales come out good in September. Okay, September's PMI bad.
Growth risks are now much more balanced.
Final services bad. It's not looking good, man. Inflation's kind of sticky. Prices is what was the recent PMIs that come out? Let me go back to CPI. Look at the chart in it. So the chart, the graph. So we've been going up on inflation since pretty much since October. So you've had a year of increase, because in October we were what 1.9%. So we've gone up 2% pretty much. So you've had inflation, creeping upwards. Manufacturing, flash services. Let's have a look at flash service. Oh, why is it not giving the? Okay. And the thing is because you had the new one, didn't we? Manufacturing. Okay, there we go. So here, what the hell? They don't even tell you the previous for some reason. It was in September. It was in October. Oh, it was in November, wasn't it? Wait, late October. Trying to find the data. Let's do current one. They need to update Forex Factory. It's not that good. Basically, I don't think it's looking that good, man. For them, yeah, don't look that good. Okay, so price come up, took out that level on euro, broke structure to the downside. I would have wanted to get long in here, to be honest, man, because it took that level out and then go long here. But then obviously look at GU in it. GU's tagged into that invalid zone, and see how it's protected you on this. So if you did take a long on EU, if you took a long on EU here, you would have just been had, because GU at the same time, or here even,
we believe that undershooting
here it tagged this zone here, and then we had this high here, which is reflective of this high here, which obviously kind of come into a supply zone, but you know it didn't. Yeah, it didn't. And then obviously we're starting to push down, and then we see the weakness of the euro.
Is now the baseline.
So yeah. On M5, see a bit more clearly. Your yen, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher potential low, lower high, internal high low. But we've got a bunch of equal lows right here. I don't like the look of that, because this looks like a channel to me. So I would prefer price come down, take out this level, then go bullish. But we did come out and take Asia low, so it is valid for price to just do this price action here,
break structure here, come into a demand zone and fly from there. Doesn't necessarily have to do this right here, but this is the cleaner option. I prefer this because it's a cleaner option. But obviously if we get this instead, then this is still valid. But I prefer this one for sure. 150%. Much more cleaner. But I'm gonna keep this here so you can kind of keep an eye on it. I'm gonna delete that, copy paste that, because that's a bit longer, isn't it? So yeah, we're gonna see what happens with this here. Yeah, I'll do 2 minutes on there. And then on GBPCHF, obviously we got nothing going on here. I'm gonna be careful because of the rate decision and the press conference and stuff like that. That obviously might throw some volatility into the market. Guys, do you have any questions that you want to ask or anything? I think now's a good time because I'm probably not going to catch a trade, man. So it's come, took this high. That was just kind of like equal highs at that level, wasn't it? So yeah. I think I want to short GBPCHF, buy gbpjpy, because JPY is definitely a bit weaker than the Swiss franc at the moment. And if we, for example, go to CHF JPY, we should see that being reflective. So here we are, CHF JPY on the 1 hour time frame. We were bullish and then we had this bit of strength here. Now I'm expecting that we're gonna keep pushing up from here, because if you go to the 4 hour on CHF JPY, had this little channel here, price come down, moved with volatility, which is good, but then we failed to create a higher high, which is interesting, because then you could also view it as instead price come to these highs at and had a harsh sell-off. So this makes more sense. So now, are we gonna continue the sell-off or are we gonna push up? I think we've got this channel here and these lows that were just taken out, because you had obviously these lows right here. So now I'd like to see CHF JPY start to make a push up. If we don't see that, then obviously you might just do this instead, and then you can probably go short here. So if that's the case, then probably want to short CHF over yen against the pound. Then realistically, depending how we move over the next few days, I'm gonna set alerts here. Set that alert there.
At 4 AM Eastern Time, we get Norwegian key policy rate forecast 4% on the prior 4%.
Right, so I got an alert set on the 4 hour of this low and this high, and then that's going to be my level to keep an eye on the JPY and CHF. Yeah.
Oh shoot, need to go back over to. Let me have a look here. The VIX is still holding. Ooh, the VIX is still holding at a nice level actually. Let's go on the daily. So there's obviously, yeah, about 12, 13. So we had 14 to about 15, 16. We did push up yesterday to about 20, which was good because you did see a bit more volume in the market. So that's good. I prefer personally above 20. Above 20, like 20 to 25 is where you get like good 40, 50 pip London sessions. I like 60, 70, 80 pip New York sessions. So I prefer that. And then anything above that is where you get crazy volume days where you get like 100 pips in London and stuff like that. And then gold will tend to do like a lot more volume in that. Gold in this market probably does like 1500 to 1500 pips or something. 1000 to 1500. Anyway, oil's up. Yeah, oil's up. Anything else I want to look at here? No, nothing else. Oh, hello. Hello. We have alerting. Go M15 and then go to yen. Okay, so you broke structure here. M1. What's this doing is took that zone out, tagged this demand zone right here on M5. I like the look of that. I'm gonna get rid of C Trader and all the accounts linked to C Trader. Actually, should I or should I not? Actually, yeah, I'll keep them. Actually, what am I thinking? Because I can, if I have enough time, I'll just set the limit on C Trader. It's gonna be annoying, but I'll just have to deal with it. Is any 1 minute zones? No. So the only zone we have realistically is this level right here. And then what's the SL and stuff? Oof, bit tight. So you can do there. It's 2.1. I think 2.7 will be fine. Let's go on to GPY. And GU can drop down there instant.
4 a.m. Eastern Time, we get Norwegian key policy rate. Forecast no change on the prior 4%.
I've set the limit on that account anyway, yeah, just so then obviously I don't need to worry about, oh, you know, I forgot this or oh, I forgot that. I just need to make sure I don't leave that limit open on that account. And then this is still pushing up higher and higher. Let's go to M15 on this and then have a look at GU really quick. Let's just go back here. Yeah, it's not taking anything. Yeah, I think it's gonna come for these highs on GBPCHF because it is still pushing higher and higher. Okay, GU's coming for these highs. Yup. When I say coming for these highs, it's gone for these highs. Walaikum assalam, bro. Where you been, man? I've not seen you in ages, bro. Yeah, it's dropping. Yeah, it's dropping. But I think now we're gonna get that reversal. Possibly, anyway. I mean, obviously we might not, but I'm thinking we will. Oh wow, look at Euro. I wanted to get in a buy, it didn't let me. Oh, that's good, man. Buy here, but invalid zone on EU. Made it bloody annoying. GU in it, it's not gonna just keep going higher and higher and higher. We've just had a 25 pip move. I'm expecting it to drop down. Look at that M5, it's just flying up, man. It's have to turn around and fill back this in. This month, so much BE, yeah. Looking for a trade in it, but it's been a bit annoying because the trading views basically been weird with my account. It's not letting me open. It's not letting me open more than 10 lots. It's saying that trading view doesn't let you open more than 10 lots, but it's never had that issue before. And when I tried to open it on C-Trade, it's perfectly fine. But when I tried to open it on trading view, it's like, nah, mate, you're not allowed to. So I don't know what's going on there, man. Being very weird, very weird. And obviously, if you go to Euro as well, yeah, we've seen Euro fly up. It's probably taken out some important level. Oh, perfect. It's coming to this supply zone right here. Now, this supply zone is one we're following order flows. This supply zone broke structure here. This supply zone broke structure here. This supply zone broke all the structure here. So if we're going to continue making lower highs and lower lows, it's going to be from this level. We can probably delete that. So yeah, I think it's gonna tap that supply zone and then potentially fall off because you got a huge gap here, bro. But I do like the look of this on M15 also. Whee!
No change rate remains unchanged at 4% as expected.
Who's that for? Oh, that's Norway. That's the Norwegian your rate decision. I mean, are we gonna really drop on Euro 50 pips? Hell no, are we gonna do that today? Hell no. Possibly on Friday New York session, yes, but not today. I just don't see that happening today.
That can go over to block. There, 10 o'clock. How far is this from GU? 90 pips. Yeah, we're not doing that in 2 days. That's going to go all the way over to Monday. Probably even Tuesday. Yeah. And then from here back down here is 40 pips. Yeah, we could still do that today, yeah. So close to tagging that zone, it missed it by 0.1 pips. For me, that's good enough to say, yeah, if it sells off from here, it's pretty much tagged that zone, because that could be just like difference in brokers and stuff like that. EUGU shorts at the moment. I've already done that. Not in my opinion. Don't short EUG if you are looking for you, maybe, yeah. But for me, it's still valid. But obviously, still pushing up. Look at that, it's still pushing up. It could want to come for this high. It's possible. That high right there. And then Euro. Might want to just push a bit higher into that supply zone, actually like into it, and then maybe do a move. What's GJ saying? Let's have a look. Okay, that's perfect. So lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low. Broke structure here. Didn't tag into the demand zone, only just missed it. Yeah, I would have been missed on that, because I wouldn't cover the high too much as I'd cover the low in case price tagged in and dropped down further. But as I said, you got this level here as well to be mindful of. Was there an M1 zone? Break structure here. Nah, M1 would make it even tighter actually. So yeah, that wasn't really an entry then on GJ, unfortunately. And then we just kept creeping up in a bit of a compressed way. Not yeah, in my opinion, don't short you. Yeah, obviously, you know, with M1 you can still take the short in it, CS, yeah, because my break even is on the first breaker structure. So you could take a short, get a breaker structure, and then go break even, and you could get tagged at break even and it can go higher. So still kind of valid on M1. But obviously on M5 or something, I wouldn't take it, because the odds of you getting like a breaker structure and a tag back in and then a breakdown again
it's gonna take like an hour. Okay, not an hour, but like it's gonna take like 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It's gonna take like 7, 8 candles worth of time. You know what I mean? Like on M5 you can't take it, but on M1 you can, because you can get a break structure in M1 within about 2-3 minutes, and then from 2-3 minutes it could easily come back into the supply zone, create a lower high, and then break structure again. So you can get all of that within 7-8 minutes. And then when you take that entry, you can get your break even. My average is between 4 and 8 minutes, so that you can do. And if it keeps going higher, you're protected anyway because of the break even. Okay, it's tagged the zone officially by 0.1 pips. Let's see what happens now. Now, obviously, the issue that we do have with EURUSD, yeah, is obviously we've got a lot of traders sat in that level, yeah. For example, if you trade order flow and stuff like that, look at that. So you've got traders getting in here, getting in here. Now you're gonna get traders getting in here, yeah. So I've got a feeling this might absolutely fly through that level, because you have loads of traders sat there. And if you think about it, it's kind of a oh god, that was horrendous, wasn't it? Kind of a trend line. If you kind of see that, it's not the best drawing, but you can kind of, you know, you can kind of see that right there. Which is why I'm saying if you get confirmation on M1, I'm willing to take it if you get short opportunity. And they could target back into these lows because price want to come back into the demand zone and then do its rally again. If that's the case, then that means this zone is invalid because it gave a reaction, failed to break structure, and then it comes back to make that zone fail and take that zone out. And then it might come to this demand supply zone instead. Because for me, a zone is only valid if it hasn't been tagged into after a break of structure. So for example, let's say this is the supply zone. Yes, this tagged it right here, but it didn't break this low. It was higher high, higher low, higher high. If it broke this low, then tagged this supply zone, then this would fail. But no, it hasn't. So I still expect that supply zone is going to hold. As in this one right here, this one. Now, because this sits into this level, I think it's going to hold. Let's go to M15 on this one actually, innit? Yeah. So let's just stay here now. Keep an eye on EU and see what happens. And we've also got GBPCHF giving a potential move also. Higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. If we make a lower high, break structure here, don't break structure here, pull back into supply zone, I'm willing to take that trade because yes, you've got a level here, but so many times I've been swerved where it's literally just missed that zone by 844, 84, 844, 82. So by 2-3 pips it'll miss that zone and then sell off. But it's come taking this zone right here. So yeah. You know, the way you view lower time frames slightly different to the way you view on higher time frame CS, yeah? Because you know, on higher time frame you have to kind of be a bit more patient, don't you? Like you can't, you know, be too early and stuff like that, and because obviously how much price can move and all that stuff, yeah. But on this you don't have to have that concern, because with M1 it's fast paced in it, so you got more opportunity. You just need to kind of control yourself in it and not be drawn into price action and chase price. That's the only issue you get on lower time frame, is don't chase price. That's the other issue that you have with low time frames. The higher time frame is more the case of, you know, being patient in it. Yeah, too intense for me, lolly. Yeah. But like for lower time frame, like you need like serious patience, man. I don't know how else to explain it. You need to be really patient as a person. And obviously you got to think about EU and GU as well, yeah? If GU's making higher highs and higher lows and EU's coming into the supply zone with the higher high and the higher low, the odds are it's not going to make a lower high, is it? Because GU's pushing up. They both seem to be moving in synchronization together based off of dollar weakness, which what we can see right here, dollar weakness, yeah? You can see right here, G's up 33 pips, 0.25%. EU's up 26 pips, 0.23%. They're both similar. So that means that there is no issue of GU outperforming EU. Today we've got similarity on price. They're both moving in synchronization, which I prefer because it's easy for you to protect yourself through invalid zones and stuff when EU and GU are both moving in synchronization. And you've got DXY to show you that it's not just a euro strength issue, it's an actual DXY weakness issue. And then, so yeah, like I like that. It's good. So high low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So yeah. I might need to go back to the yen. I really hope they fix this trading view issue, man. Even if they just like, for me, lift the restrictions of the lot size on my account, because I don't want to be dealing with having to take 2-3 trades, man, in like 1-2 minutes. I really struggle as it is with the speed of like executing, man. Okay, GJ touched M15 supply zone, which is Frankfurt high. London come down to the low. I wanted to take the Frankfurt high. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? You could literally say this is another high, yeah? You could literally say this is another high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal highs. And then you got a high just above it. This one right here. Yeah, that one right there. So I think price is gonna tag into here, give a reaction, which it's doing right now, and then hopefully take that zone out. But it didn't give me a bloody entry, man. I wanted an entry, it just didn't give me one. Not one that I was happy with anyway. I would have preferred a bit more cleaner price action. This is valid, don't get me wrong. Like, that's completely valid, but I don't like it, if that makes sense, because obviously you've got all of these lows right here, you got this channel right here. Obviously you can just break out the channel with force, which makes sense, yeah, sure, no problem, but I would just prefer a bit of a, you know what I mean, that's my preferred ideal entry model. I just feel most comfortable with it. So you see how here, yeah, GU didn't break this low. It's pushing up now, but EU broke that low. I would now be mindful. I would now be mindful to see if EU tags into that zone, and if it starts to sell off. If it does, then I could consider taking it on GU, but I don't like, because that's for like using what's it called, man? Diversion? Diverging, yeah, divergence, yes, diverging, yeah. Diversion is obviously another word, isn't it? So yeah. What are you in anyway, CS? Are you still in GJ or what? Sorry, I forgot. I think that was when I was trying to fix all the issue with the account, innit? And guys, if you have any questions about psychology and stuff like that, now's probably a good time to ask. Or any questions even technical related, although I don't like teaching technicals. Oh, sorry, was packing up. I entered EU and GU long small position as it entered my range. Oh, that's nice, man. Good stuff. Look at DXY. It come into the 50% of this level, and it started to reject off of there. Okay, see, look, we tagged in here, gave a reaction. Now we're pushing up more. Where's the M5 zone? M5 zone is here. So I'm gonna just actually, you know what? I'm gonna copy paste. And there's the M5 zone. So this is kind of the M15. Here's the M5. They should come up, tag into this zone, have a reaction and push higher. Yeah, I don't know, it started to reject from 99.88-ish. I mean, I wanted it to come back down to 99.5 to be honest, but that's going to be in the next 2-3 days. But this is why I like using low time frame in it, because EU and GU, they tell you what DXY is gonna do. So I prefer lower time frame, because you know how people say higher time frame gives you direction. Yeah, it does, but if you know how to read lower time frame price action, it's gonna tell you where are you gonna go. Whereas DXY, you're waiting for it. On the 4-hour daily, you're waiting for price action. On M1, you're ready for predicting the future. Just like you're ahead of the game. That's one thing I love about lower time frame. But as we already know, I think M1 is the hardest time frame there is. I think like 99% of traders fail on M1 because they can't read price action and stuff like that. So I think that's why. I know traders who are even like, for example, Miko and stuff like that, very experienced trader and stuff, right? Good quality trader, really good, knows his shit, all that stuff. But even he's going to struggle with M1 because they can't read price action. Because it's too fast paced and you need to have a lot of experience and patience. So it tests you a lot more, and it tests you a lot more rigorously. Yeah, you're more rigorously tested on M1 and stuff like that because of the fast moves and breakouts and stuff like that. And you have to have really good self level of control. Okay, there we go. So we did tag into the M5 zone. We had a reaction off of it right there, as you can see. So now let's see what happens here on M1. Now for me to take a trade on GJ, I need to wait for this invalid zone to fail and then see if it gives an entry for a long or if it gives an entry for a short, because you can take a trade after an invalid zone in that direction. You don't always have to go against it.
4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we'll get UK.
Bashi, you'll be pleased to know I'm over call beat desire to transition and have moved on. Lol, that's funny, bro. That's funny. How was Colombia anyway? And how come you went to Colombia? And also, what's it like? I heard it's a bit 50-50, man. Okay, so high, low, high, 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 low, higher, high. high low, lower high. Why? Because you broke that structure there. You could short from here. Let's have a look here, man. Ooh, it's a bit. Let's go M1. One sec, bro. 1 sec. .5 pip SL is a bit big than what I would prefer, because if I take partials between 15 and 18, 15's only 4.3R, 18's 5.1. Yeah, I don't like that. Bit big. It's within my 2 to 4, but I don't prefer over 3.5 personally. That could just be me being greedy, to be honest, though, which is possible. So now we've got the issue of I've been trading Goodwing, which is a defense stock that has outgrown Nvidia. Yeah, obviously defense system and stuff like, because American, the bloody idiots, are going to start doing weapon developments and all that stuff in it. So of course, them isn't BlackRock one as well. BlackRock isn't on their weapons manufacturer or something. They're going to be good also, as much as I hate the hell out of them. Okay, also if I'm going to be shorting GU, I want to be longing GJ, which kind of looks good when you're thinking about the price action is lining up really good. Same with GBPCHF. If we're going to be shorting that, we're going to be buying that. So yeah, that looks good to me. Let me just try to get some limits set. What was this on GU, wasn't it? Yeah, M1 GU. What was the entry price? 0237, 0237, 37, 37, 802. Oh yes. And then SR36 on GU, I can do 0.4 there, so that's okay. And then EU's falling. We've got no demand zone there, that's fine. We've got no M5 there. We've got no M15 in the way, so we are clear. We are clear on there. I'm thinking about getting in this short. I've been learning a bit from Chris Pulver about puts and calls and stuff like that. Oh god, yes, already come in. By the time I've made my decision, it's already come in. Damn it. It just has to be a lot more awkward, doesn't it, when you're trying to like
At 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we get UK construction PMI forecast 46.9 on the prior 46.2.
Okay, this is coming up for this level now. So lower high. So see how I was waiting for this to respect this high and then drop down. But see how it broke structure. People would sell straight off at that level and not wait for price. This is brilliant. This should fail, as should this. And we're 4 minutes away from 9:30, so hopefully we can get some type of break here and then a reversal or a buy. Sorry. I'm in Bashy CHF long as of this morning. Yeah. You know what? Bashy CHF hasn't been that good, man, for me, to be fair. Bashy GP, what? Yeah. Bashy JPY has been the one, bro. The absolute one. Oh yeah, look at that. Took that zone out. Would they have tagged SL? Not yet. This looks to me like it might be pound strength because pound's going against all of them. Yeah, it looks like pound strength to me, that does. Look at that. GJ up, GU up, GC up, EU. Not really. I think he's going to take that zone out. Oh, it's rejecting it. Oh, it's gone. Took that level out. You know, when I see all of them go up together, it gives me... Okay, so if EU and GU are being different, it's a bit like, oh, okay. But if I see GC, GJ and GU all going up, then it's like, whoa, wait a second. That could just be Euro weakness. Perfect example right here. I did say all of them are going up and EU's kind of lagging. So I'm glad I didn't take that. Genuinely, I'm glad I didn't take that. That was so close as well. I was just literally looking at price action. Bank of interest rate decision later, but no change expected. Yeah, I know. I just want to see what they're going to say in the press conference or whatever, innit? Haven't they got a conference as well? I think they do. I feel like they have a conference as well, so I want to kind of see what are they going to say about that. It's best I just kind of move that out the way.
$44.1, 44.1, lower than forecast, 46.9.
What was that for? What was that for? What time on 9:30? Oh, UK construction PMI. Oh yeah, we know we're not doing any construction in the UK anyway. Yeah, that's obvious. Okay. So we missed the M15 demand zone, which is good. Yeah, I think M2 is fine for EU. So if we just literally, I would have preferred that we tagged that zone, but because it was a pip diff. Huh? But because there's a pip difference of 0.2 pips, I'm happy to say that did touch that supply zone. And if it breaks structure here, then I'm kind of willing to say, all right, let's go short on this now then. Euro, GBP and Euro, second and third strongest currency in the chart. They've been pants the last few weeks. Is that on Edge Finder, yeah? I actually needed the Edge Finder today for the once in a blue moon. I kind of needed it. Do me a favor, man. Add the, if you don't mind, every day or something like that, if you don't mind, in the morning, just take a screenshot of the Edge Finder's top setups on Forex, Forex and gold and silver, or just give me a login. I love you. Also, Lee, I've got a second payout coming. Hopefully, as long as the prop firm doesn't deny me for any dumbass reason. Okay, so we're close to that level there. Now, if it sells us from here, I'm prepared for that because obviously, as I said, it can do whatever it wants. Let's get rid of that one now and just keep an eye on this one here. Currencystrength.com. Oh, you mean on Financial Juice, the currency strength chart? Yeah. Strongest is JPY, CHF, Euro, GBP, AUD, CAD, USD, and oh wow. NZD and USD are the weakest ones at the moment, but that's not really that reflective of current price action, man. It's kind of done over Asia, isn't it? It's kind of dealt with over Asia, not live price action. That's what I'm looking for here. So if GU breaks this level here, 75, let's just do 73 on the alert. And let's go M1, make sure there's no bloody creepy demand zones in here. Yeah, so if you break that level there, clearly, come back up, I'm willing to take that. Now, yes, we do have a zone right here, 7 pips away. But as I said, many times have I been, I'm going to wait for that big zone above, and it just says, no, mate, we're not going to do that for you today. Appreciate your attention, but no. So, yeah. Now I'm gonna try and take it on C Trader. Oh, Lee, TradingView's being gay today. It's not letting me open more than 10 lots. So I had to speak to IC Markets, and they're like, well, we don't know, pretty much. So I've got a support request open with these guys here, innit? In the hopes that they can freaking stop that limitation of 10 lots maximum. Dang idiot. Okay, you've also made a lower high here. If you come break a lower low, obviously you need to be mindful of that demand zone there on M15, and then we've got M5 right here. Might as well just draw it actually, innit? You can just draw it on. There. So let's see what happens here. also we're seeing the gbpjpy fall a bit here. I was really hoping this zone was gonna fail, and I still think it is. I think this is just coming to potentially take out this little build up here. Let me just try and draw that a bit more neater. This build up here, I'm hoping it's gonna do that. Hoping. That's even got like a low right there just underneath it, so I want that zone to fail, but I don't know if it's gonna do that sort of a move or not. Okay. Could say that this is a new supply zone right here. Just a teeny little demand zone there. There's a break structure here, teeny little demand zone. If it tags this break structure, I'm happy to then say we've had price kind of tag that zone there, tag a demand zone, tag that zone there, take that demand zone out. We've seen demand zones fail now, and then hopefully push down. So let's see what happens. But obviously look at that, all the pounds are pushing again. All the pound crosses are pushing again. Go to currencystrength.com and you see its current strength. As of 9:30, the currency position I meant. Oh really? GBP and euro is second and third strongest on the currency. Right, that's okay. How do they measure that? How do they measure that, Lee? Sounds interesting, that. Okay, so we tagged into there, started to reject by creating a wick. We've seen euro pushing down. I want to see yen be weaker than the pound. I'd rather see CHF be stronger. It looks like a live feed. Raw, that's interesting, bro. Yeah, once I get this payout, hopefully get another 50k account. Because you should get another account when you pass. So I want to get my another 50k account. That payout, I'm not gonna get another account. Have a look at it, you see what I mean. Alright, safe, 1 second. Currency strength. You can send the links, bro. You can send the links in here, your moderator. Grab the link in it because it sounds like you've already got it. Okay, so there we go. We've taken that level there. Let's go 15-minute on here. Pull back. What have we got? So kind of a resistance level right there. 1 touch there, 2 touch there, 3 touch there, 4 touch kind of there. Now we've pumped up that level out. There's also an M5 supply zone. I think I can see right here. Around about here, there's an M5 supply zone. And then you've got that structural lower high and a new London high right there. Let's see what this looks like on here, innit? I'm gonna probably delete that. Go M5. Oh, delete that. Do M5 invalid zone right there. Invalid to short now if it comes back into here because they might keep pushing price higher. Okay, so send the link. Here we go. Currency strength. Okay, it's in Japanese. No, damn it, it's in kanji. I can't hit kanji. I can't read kanji. I could read the other two, but not kanji. I think it's that one. Yeah, bro. Pound and yen are both up right now. But that's not true because pound's outdoing the yen right here. And then it's saying pound and CHF. Also kind of true because yes, pound is outperforming CHF, so that's kind of true. But pound and yen, that's not. But I suppose it has been creeping down since about 8:30. Yeah. And CHF has just been consolidating, to be fair. Oh, that's quite good, you know. That's actually quite good. I might have to save that link, bro. How do I save that? So if I click the link, zoom out, zoom in, refresh, mute, no. Oh, copy current address. Is it that? Is it that? No, that's YouTube, innit? Is this copy the YouTube address? We just copy that there, then there. Got it. So I might even throw that in the chat as well, because that might be useful for people, you know. Nice, thank you, bro. I'll save that to my little notepad so I can stick that in the chat, because that might be useful to some people. So remember how I was saying pound's pushing up? This zone's got a hold now. Because now that I've moved that, then I can just put it over here and show you guys. Demand zone. See? Broke structure here on the M2. Man's tried entering longs in here. I'm seeing pound pushing up, euro kind of just sat there doing nothing. Because pound's up 34 pips. Euro is up 22, 23. There's 0.06% difference, which isn't a lot. But I would like to see euro just kind of pick up a bit. Okay, we've come back into this M5 zone again, pushed up there, given another reaction. That should fail. I don't think I'm going to get a trade because it's 9:45, yeah? For price to break this level and give me an entry with how it's kind of being a bit slow, I don't think I'll get an entry before 10:15, man. It doesn't look like I'll get an entry. But yeah, Lee, yeah, basically managed to get that payout on the 50k account. That's it. And then obviously I bought an FTMO account. I don't know if I told you about that. With the 100k payout, I got another 100k FTMO account. So it's my first FTMO account now, but it's 100k. Just to keep you updated, of course. Okay, perfect. So that supplies failed. Buyers are still in that market, so I wouldn't want to short on euro from here now. I would not want to short from euro on here. Now price is coming for that next level, so I suppose it's kind of break and retest, isn't it, if you look at it now? Yeah, no, not really break and retest. It's break and retest here. Broke it, tested it, and then flew off from here. So yeah, that zone's done now, mate. That zone's done. what's that? 90, 59. So if that's 59, I'll do it by 0.3 in it. That's fine. CS, are you here? See how I was telling you about the shorts on GU and stuff like that. How obviously if you know how to read price and stuff, you can kind of tell where it's going. I know you're packing up from the office and stuff, so I don't know if you can type or not. But obviously, how I was saying, you can make lower highs and lower lows on M1, then you can read price in the right direction at the right time, understanding context. Then you can forecast in it where price is gonna go, because you were saying DXY might not reverse yet from here, but I was saying that if you can read price on lower time frame, you can kind of figure out if it kind of can't. And there you go. There's kind of the reason for that. If you're not here, then it's okay. Yeah, look at that. I like that a lot. So Lee, how come you went to Colombia anyway? Did you go to Bogota? I got friends in there. One of my friends from Bogota actually become a Muslim about 3-4 months ago. Probably about 5-6 months ago now. He become a Muslim. I'm surprised you haven't had adverts in ages. Okay, 10 o'clock we've got Eurozone retail sales year on year and month on month. So let's see how that comes out. And then 12 o'clock, obviously we've got the... You know what it's called, the thing. You know, the thing for it. Oh, Francis, are you here? It's where my family is from, so I went over there to see her family. Are they from Bogota? And you know your missus, yeah? Is she British born or is she not British born? Obviously, if these things are too personal, you don't have to answer it here, and if it's a bit too personal. He's Colombian, born and bred. Oh, okay, yeah. Got you. I was gonna ask about basically her Spanish and stuff like that, but she's born and bred. She's gonna be fluent. It's gonna be a native language, innit? So where did you go then? Do they live in Bogota or do they live in like some other like city or something or village or something? And how did you find it? What was Colombia like? Because I know they're still going through a lot of like economical issues and stuff, aren't they? And crime is through the roof and all that stuff. So how did you find it? I want to go Colombia. I think it's sick, man. The women are 10. Medellin. Oh. Now we're talking Pablo Escobar. Puta plata. Mierda. Yeah, that's cool, man. Medellin. That's cool. He's from Medellin. That's awesome, man. How did you find it? Like, what's it like? I'm gassed by this, bro. But wait, no, I was gonna look at other stuff, wasn't I? So, no less safe than London or any other major. Yeah, it's still quite bad. Yeah. Got you. How were the people with you and stuff, being like a foreigner, like a white Caucasian foreigner? How were they with you? Because I know, like, some countries, for example, like low key they don't like foreigners because of like issues they've had in the past historically and stuff. But how were they with you? Were they all right? Obviously, your family's gonna be okay with you, but I'm talking about like the public and stuff, innit? Did you get any like funny looks and stuff like that? Okay, yeah. So let's go to gbpchf. Is obviously took that level, and then if we wanted to copy paste that, and then you've got that level there. Pips ain't that bad, bro. You can do that in by 10:15 anyway. So that's on CHF done. And also, after that question, how much your flights and stuff? Was it cheap? People are friendly, but they have 26 public holidays a year, so they always seem to be partying. No issues with locals or anyone I met. Oh, that's good, man. That's all right. That's not bad. Yeah, I was gonna ask something else, but you won't know the answer. That sounds good, man. Wow, I'm seeing a big divergence on EU and GU. Want me look at that? EU on 15-minute and then GU on 15-minute. Oh wow. Let's look at Euro GBP. I flew business class. Okay, yeah. Yes, business class. Yes, CEO, entrepreneurial, big dog, Lee James. What a guy. Man went business class. You know what I mean? Business. Oh man, what a guy. I think this is going to keep coming down. I think we're going to get a stronger pound for a while. How long was the flight? Was it long or? Yeah, boys, I don't think I'm going to catch a trade, man, in literally 20 minutes. I doubt I'll catch something. It's tagged into that zone there. Prices come to at these highs, coming for this low. The scenario is still the same. I need to see lower high and then lower low. So if it breaks this
Eastern time, we get Eurozone retail sales year-on-year forecast 0.9% on the prior 1%, and month-on-month forecast 0.2% on the prior 0.1%.
So even if price comes down and breaks this structure, I can't take it from that supply zone because that's not a confirmation entry. I need to wait for it to do like it's a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. It might come break this low and then continue to make a higher high. Because you could turn around and say higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Break structure there. I'm gonna short it from there Could have taken it here. Would have got a reaction, tagged in demand zone. You were the smart money trap. You were liquidated. So see how it's good to have patience and stuff, look for the right type of price action, following your plan, staying disciplined. 8 hours including stops off in Miami. Oh, that's quite long actually, isn't it? That's quite long. Do you mind if I ask how much it was? Obviously business class is going to be a bit more and stuff in it, and then obviously you had one stop as well, that's going to be a bit cheaper I suppose in direct flight, but Miami is a nice stop off. Miami to Ibiza. If I had time I'd have thrown a rod in there, I trust my chin. Wait, where's the soundboard? Where's the soundboard? How do you loop? What? Wait, play. Okay, loop. No, wait. Okay, done. Okay, stop. Okay, stop it. Damn it. Oops. There. How do you just make it normal, man? I just want it normal, innit? Like that. Just. Yeah, like that, done. Perfect. Yeah, that's funny, bro. At 6,000 miles away, Colombia isn't down the road. Yeah. Obviously, yeah, it's a bit of a long flight, innit? Yeah. And now you see how we tied into an M15 invalid zone. Price has come back, tagged this demand zone. That break structure here and here, so people are going to try and get long in there again. So travel is going to take long. Yeah. I want to go, man. I've got friends in Colombia, but I think most of them are in. Two are in Bogota. Do I have any friends in Medellin? I don't think I have any friends in Medellin. No, I don't. I got one friend in Buenos Aires in Argentina. I got 2 friends in Venezuela, 1 in Puerto Rico, 2 in Colombia. 2 in Colombia? Is there more? 2 in Colombia. And I got like 6 friends in Mexico. One's in Mexico City. You're used to traveling to Bassis Pulse. Anywhere beyond that is long.
1 minute remaining. I'll leave with the
Bro, you know what I mean, mate? Bassis Pole and that, yeah? Go to Mackey's on the roundabout, get some yam, do Bassis Pole run before the feds turn up, innit, mate? You know what I'm saying, fella? You know what I'm saying? Oi. So, yeah. I've got a lot of friends all over the world, to be honest, man, because when I was learning languages and stuff like that, I developed a lot of really good friendships. And I've got so many Latin American friends. And that's why like my Spanish is like, it's okay, even though I've not really like actually studied it, but I just picked up bits and bobs here and there and stuff. And plus I listen to a lot of Spanish music anyway, mainly like reggaeton and stuff.
10 seconds.
10 seconds for the data for Euro. Let's have a look at Euro response.
%1% higher than forecast, 0.9%. Month on month, minus 0.1%, minus 0.1%. Lower than forecast,
month to month is bad.
2%.
Month to month was a miss by 0.3, but year on year was a beat by 0.1. Overall bad. Overall that is bad. Yeah, that is bad overall actually. Yeah, that's not what we wanted to see, is it? Guys, do me a favor, hit like, all that cool stuff. What the response? Kindly send again a screenshot showing the issue. When did they send that email? 9:53. How do you do attachments again? There you go. Browse computer. So it was there and there. Isn't it this one that said about the issue? Yeah, that one. So I'll do these three. So I sent him a second email. No, third email now. With the pictures again. Come on, boys. Fix up, man. It's not that hard. Yeah, guys, do me a favor. Hit like and all that stuff, please. I appreciate it, innit? Drop all the links in the chat. Chris was explaining to me what a call is and a put is, because I said, is a call basically bullish and a put basically bearish? He goes, not really, because you can get a bearish call and you can get a bullish call and a bearish put and a bullish put, a bear put and a bull put. So he's kind of explaining it to me, and then he's showing me, like, if you buy in at this price and stuff, like, I'm starting to get like teeny little understandings of options and stuff, but I have so many more questions about the more basic side of it, and I don't want to annoy people by asking in it, man. Be quick and learn options and stuff so you can teach me, bro. Okay, we got a bunch of lows right here. This could easily come down, wick the lows and come take the high out. But yeah, there's a discount code for the Heron copier. I'm going to speak to TradingView anyway. I'm going to try and get an affiliate link with them because they do a program for that. So if I can get an affiliate link, then obviously that'd be ideal. Because I like using TradingView. I trade on it and everything. So yeah, I think it'd be sick if I can get people a bit of a discount on there and stuff like that. So yeah, see how CHF tagged into this invalid zone? If it breaks structure, this is the issue now on GBP CHF is we might not get a clean entry because you need to break this structure, but then you got a demand zone right there. Then you break that structure, you got a demand zone right there. So it's a bit tricky, man. You've literally got this tiniest gap from here and the tiniest gap from here to catch a trade in between there. Yeah, that's nah, man. Yeah, it'll have to realistically come down, take out these lows, because all this is a free clean zone. But it's pushing up. Let's see if it respects the supply zone or not. I'd like to see you respect that zone. Obviously, you have to think of it from the other side of things. You got build up. Oh shoot, wrong one. You got to build up here. What does it keep? So you got to build up here. Price drop to break structure. So that demand zone is completely valid. The only reason I haven't taken that is because you've taken this high. So it's now going to invalidate me buying from this, because this zone could potentially fail, and then give a buy opportunity instead of giving a fail and then letting a sell occur. That's why I've not taken any sides of these trades, like not taking shorts, not taking longs. I'm waiting for clear confirmation because we've got an overlap of invalidations. I should hit like on the stream as well. I don't know if it's going to help or not. I'm gonna trade New York though, see if there's anything clean in New York. The price has been a bit choppy, hasn't it, since 9 o'clock? Yeah, it's been chopping for about an hour and 8 minutes. On GBPUSD, I'm just using yen as a, you know. So yeah, and then on euro, it's been slowly creeping downwards. On CHF, it's been sideways from 8.30 to about 9.30. Then it gave a push. Yeah, price action is not ideal, man. Not ideal. So yeah, guys, is there anyone here left or not? Because if you guys are kind of not here, then I might just cut the stream a bit early, because I don't think I'm going to take a trade. Unless you guys want to talk about something, then obviously that's fine. But if not, then just let me know, innit? Because I might cut the stream now then, you know. Buy the practical course option. Oh, okay, yeah, options goes for 27 or 20 quid. That'll give you a clearer understanding of options. Is that what you did? Did you buy the $27 one? I really want to get into it, man. Options and stuff. Because you know, when he's going over the course, yeah, to me, it looked like to me like you actually need the full one. Because he's saying that, oh yeah, in the full one you get blah 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 blah, etc etc, and I was like, right, sounds like that's the one that I need then. But I haven't really got it into it yet. I will be giving it beans over the Xmas holidays and give it a new go next year. Oh, I thought you already knew about that stuff, bro. I thought you already had understanding about like options and all that stuff. That's what I was waiting for you to tell me. Let's get rid of all of this and all of this. Go and then hit M15, drag that over to New York, 4 o'clock. Yeah, that's enough, man. I don't see any other. Yeah, okay, so that's done. Odds are we're not gonna take this as well, so get rid of that and that. 4 o'clock. And then obviously you got this low here, which is gonna fail. That was obviously a zone there which was invalid as well. We're gonna get some big volume in. Oh wow. Is the rate cut gonna make us drop 70 pips on? I don't think so. I don't think so. That's gonna go over to Monday. Are we gonna drop 50? Nah, I think that's gonna be Thursday, Friday London session. Yeah. I thought you knew about all this stuff, Lee, man, like the options and all that stuff. And then the yen. Look at that. It's creeping up to this. Oh, I swear to you, bro. Why you not give me entry in my time window, huh? Why you not give me entry in my time window? Damn. Damn. Okay, so, and then we've got... Is that 2 there? No, it's not. Perfect. Then we've got Friday done and Monday done there as well. Awesome. It's literally coming to take that zone out, bro. I think that will probably fail by about 20. But then it's going to be invalid for me to take that trade anyway because it's outside my time window. So yeah, delete that. M15 on there. Yeah, the thing that I think is going to happen is they're going to be like, economy is not looking good. You know, we're a bit concerned. And I think that's where price is going to rally off of. If you catch what I'm thinking, I think price is gonna rally off of that. That's 150. Yeah, that's a no, mate. That's an absolute. I don't think they're going to turn around and say that things aren't looking that good. I've been traveling, so no idea. So not an ideal to study option trading. Besides, I always plan to kick off fully in New Year. Right, okay, yeah, that sounds well. I might be there with you then, mate, because I'm curious about options and stuff as well. It seems like a much safer way to trade, yeah, and diversify yourself as a trader, man. So then obviously it lets me do my M1 and stuff like that in the meantime, and then instead of taking more of a swing position, I could take more of a long hold put or a call on a position or something. There's just some things I don't really understand with it. There's just some things I don't really understand. There you go. I'll get rid of this alert as well. Check the alert. Actually, no, I don't need to check the alerts. Yeah, basically same thing. Yeah, exactly. It seems to me like options is a lot more safer. But the only thing I don't understand is when he says when he talks about 6850 or 6890. I kind of get the 68 and the 90, but I don't see where is he seeing the figures and what does it correlate to. So I just don't see that side of it. Like, where is that information? Because when he does a screen share, it's not in 4K, so I can't see the numbers or anything clearly. If you catch what I'm trying to say. And I need to see those things for me to fully comprehend what I'm doing. Yeah. I'll let you get the course first, yeah? You let me know what you think about it, and then if it's good, then just pass me your course, innit? I'm still Asian, bro. That 20 pound I can get a 10k account. You're mad, bro. You're mad. Oh man, brother.
Fui yo.
So yeah. Right, Lee, are we done? I think it's only me and you here, bro. Are we done?
Bashy, I'm signing off on my Chris. Yeah, I will probably see you there, bro. Thanks for coming. Appreciate you, everyone who came to the live stream. Thank you to all of you, and those of you dissipated and didn't say bye, I'ma slap you. Peace out, man. Bye, everyone. See ya tomorrow.